Hello friend, welcome back to this channel. Today I show about how to merge any layer in Photoshop without any delete any layer. In here you see my screen, there is one background layer and one tree layer. This tree is PNG. If you see here, there are two layers. If you merge, then what do you do? At first, you simply if you at first this layer and right click on your mouse and you see here merge down. If you click here, then this picture is merged. It is right, but I want if you do not delete any layer, if you merge this image in here, the two layer are already deleted. So how can solve this problem? Now fix this problem. For this, merge the layer. If you want the without deleting any layer and merge all layer, then selecting upper layer and press in keyboard Control Alt Shift plus E. Then you see here the main two layer are already present, but I get the merge layer. You see here, if you hide this two layer, this is the merge layer. In this way, you can merge any layer without deleting the main layer. I hope you enjoy this video. So like this video, and if you are new user, then subscribe our channel. Thank you.